Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SQQQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the party is officially over. Up going into today, you could have argued that everything was still in an overall trend, or uptrend, which was factually true. You're absolutely right. There was a nice trend line here, but then that got destroyed this morning with the original gap down, and then after the gap down, the price just fell, broke through the trend line, and then just continued to fall. So as far as, the people that were feeling bullish about the chart, that bullishness has now been wiped away. Now, don't get me wrong. I mean, there could be more bullishness that starts over again. But as far as that original move was concerned, as I just demonstrated, that trend line has been absolutely destroyed today. So back to the drawing board would be another way to look at it. Now, moving forward, really two main levels of support that stand out quite a bit. First key level, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact of, where did the party finally stop today in the downside direction. And that was right there at $5.42. So $5.42 going to be that first area of support that you'll want to watch. In the event that level can't quite hold up, then at that point, nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all, other than the fact of, where did the bleeding stop previously, and that was down here right around $5.34. So those are going to be the two main levels of support moving forward, so watch those. Now, to be fair, maybe this thing decides it wants to go sideways and start to work its way back upwards. So if that were to occur, where are some of these areas of resistance at? First key level of resistance is just going to be that purple line right there, which is on my chart denoting the very well-known, very famous 50-period moving average, and that's currently valid at, we'll just call it $5.60. So $5.60, that initial area of resistance on any sort of movement back to the upside. If the price can then push up through there, next key level at that point would be right up there around that level, which I think is a very interesting, trend line right there. So keep a general eye on that, but I'm probably getting too far ahead of ourselves talking about that trend line, because first off, the price has just got to be able to bounce up to that 50-period moving average and get up through it. But all in all, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward into Thursday. So let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.